Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. I'm here with another educational video that might have occupied the minds of many of you. You might be wondering what we need to do for backtesting by looking at the past of the market. Well, naturally, on the TradingView site we have an option called replay where we can cut from a certain point, but we see that this doesn't happen for us in time frames under 1 day. Sometimes we need to backtest in lower time frames, but for daily, weekly and above, we can backtest within TradingView itself. However, many of us need to backtest in lower time frames like 1 hour, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 1 minute or 5 minutes. We can't backtest under a day in TradingView. This doesn't happen for us every day, and sometimes we need to backtest in lower time frames. For example, in daily and weekly time frames, we can backtest directly within TradingView. However, many of us need to look at lower time frames like 1 hour, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 1 minute or 5 minutes to see what has happened in the past of the market. To use this option, we need to purchase a subscription on the TradingView site, which might not be worth it for many people. Personally, I don't feel the need to buy a subscription just for this purpose. Let's see what happened in the past in the market. So, to use this option, we need to purchase a user account on the TradingView site, which may not be necessary for many people, or for me personally, I don't need to purchase an account just because I want to. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a site that has all the options, like TradingView, and is no different from it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment for me, or, if you'd like, you can subscribe to the channel. The site I want to introduce to you is gocharting.com, which has all the settings and options that TradingView has. There isn't much difference from TradingView. We have a watch list there, and we also have a watch list here. We can set alerts there, and we can also set alerts for ourselves here. The only difference is that you no longer need to purchase a subscription, and you can easily access all the options that you didn't have access to on TradingView for free. You can enter the Go Charting site. I'll leave the link for you in the description. If you don't want to search for it, just click the link and you can directly access the Go Charting site. The only difference with TradingView is that you no longer need to purchase a subscription, and you can easily access all the options that you didn't have access to on TradingView for free. You can enter the Go Charting site. I'll leave the link for you in the description. So if you don't want to search for it, just click the link and you can directly access the Go Charting site. Enter the Go Charting site. Here's an overview of the Go Charting site. We have settings here that, when clicked, are exactly like those on TradingView. There's no difference at all. Whatever settings we had there, we have exactly the same here. The only difference was that for our candlestick settings, where we wanted to adjust the color, it was located in the settings section there. So we would come in, and after this, click on Settings to open the Symbol tab, where you can change candle colors. For example, set positive candles to green. Use the arrow button to access candlestick settings and change colors like blue or green. I prefer white and black. If the volume indicator is distracting, click the hide icon to remove it. In the toolbar, click the arrow icon and select Candlestick to change candle colors. For example, set positives to blue or green. I prefer white and black. If the volume indicator is distracting, click the hide icon to remove it. In this section, create a TradingView watch list and add symbols. Remember, there are $2 indices, one in TVC and one in capital.com. And there's probably a volume here for you that might be trying to distract you, and you don't have any use for it now. You can click on this hide icon here, and your volume will go away from being here. There is a watch list. You can create a watch list in TradingView and add symbols. Remember, there are $2 indices in TradingView, one in TVC and one in capital.com. Let's search for USDX. The second one in Paperstone is correct. USDX in Paperstone matches TVC. Search for DXY. First is capital.com price. It's 107.7, same as before. Search for USDX. The first is wrong, the second is Paperstone. TVC dollar index is first, then capital.com. USDX in Paperstone matches TVC, move to first. Now search DXY. First is capital.com price, it's 107.7, exactly the same. Add a watch list here, click add new symbol, define any watch list, then backtest, which works here, not in 1 hour time frame. Click replay, double click to cut 4 times. And then we search for DXY. The price in capital.com is 107.7. We can add a watch list by clicking Add New Symbol. Backtesting is possible here, unlike the 1 hour time frame. Click Replay, double-click to cut the chart, and adjust candle speed. We can add a watch list from here by clicking Add New Symbol. Define any watch list you want. Then proceed to backtesting, which is possible here even in the 1 hour time frame. Click Replay and double-click to cut the chart at desired points. Adjust candle speed to be slow or fast. It's adjustable. A great feature is using 2-week candles for analysis. Searchable via keyboard. So if we want it to be slow, or if we want the candle display speed to be fast, it's completely adjustable. Another really good point here is that sometimes we use 2-week candles for analysis, which you can search for by typing on your keyboard. And you click here. Now the candle form is displayed to you in a bi-weekly format, or if you want to check the 3-day option, you click on 3 and then click on day, which will show you the 3-day format. Or if you want to input data manually, there's an option here called Invertal. You click on it and it goes to custom. And here, your scale shows you how you want your scale to be, whether it should be in minutes, hours, daily, weekly, or monthly. For example, I want to set the 3-week candle, so I bring it to week. And here, I set the unit to 3, and if you want it to be in your favorites up here, just click on this heart. It will fill in red and show up in your favorites at the top. When we set it, we see the candle form that it shows us is indeed for 3 weeks. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, like it, and definitely subscribe to the channel. And here, I'll put the unit on 3 and set it. If you want it to be inside your Fiorita, here you can also put a heart in the empty space. It will fill up and turn red, and it will show you accept your Fiorita. When we set it, we'll see the candlestick form that it's showing us. It's been 3 weeks. If you liked this video, please leave me a comment, like it, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for being with me at the end of the video. For now, goodbye, friends.